Hello, boys and girls and families. All right, here is our math lesson. And this week I thought we would talk about shapes. Just like patterns, shapes are all around us. And we'll start with some easy shapes today. I know we've talked about shapes at school. And as the week goes on, we'll get into some fancier and tougher shapes. And we'll try to find shapes in our environment, and we'll just have some fun with it. So here we go. So we're just going to have a look at basic shapes today. So what I would love to see if you could do is we'll just look at the 4 basic shapes for today. And one of the challenges would be to see if you can just draw the shape. So I'm going to start with this one. And I think you know what that one is. That one is, and I don't think I've drawn it quite perfectly, but it is called a square. That is a square. And the special things about a square are all the sides are the same length. Okay, even though I don't think I drew it quite perfect, but all the sides are the same length. So this side is the same length as this side. And the other thing special about a square is this is called a right angle, okay, which is, you'll learn more as you go through school, but it's not on an angle like this or like this, okay? It comes down and turns perfectly, okay? So that's what a right angle is, okay? Now our next one is, let's see if I can draw this one a little bit better. And this one is called I bet you know, a circle. And circle should start with an S, but for some reason, it starts with a C. I don't know why. And then K-O. And big old bad mysteries on the end. We don't hear it, okay? So a circle is perfectly round, okay? It is not like this. It is not like this. Okay, it is perfectly round. All right. Our next one, let's do this one, is called let's see if you can guess it. And that is actually the strongest shape there is, okay? It is a triangle. And tri means 3. If you do a triathlon, you do 3 events. If you ride a tricycle, it has 3 wheels, okay? So tri means 3. So any 3-sided shape, okay, is a triangle. There are some examples, so you can do your own fancy triangle, okay? The sides could be different lengths, could be different angles, not like the square. Okay, and the last one is this one. And I bet you know what that one is. It could look like that, it could look like this, okay? Is a rectangle. Okay, and on a rectangle, 2 of the sides are longer than the other 2 sides, okay? But this side is the same length as this side, and this side is the same length as this side, but these lengths are different. And also with a rectangle, just like the square, it has that, it's called a right angle, okay? So this is not a rectangle, even though it has 4 sides, okay? And I don't know. that is not a rectangle, even though it has 4 sides. Okay, so square, 4 sides, they're the same. Circle, perfectly round. Triangle, 3 sides, could be any angle. And rectangle, they have 4 sides, but it looks like a square that's been sat on or stretched out, okay? So your assignment today will be to draw each of and just do the best you can. You don't need to worry about the words, so draw them. And then see if you can find some things in your house that are the shape and that are not the shape, okay? So for squares, I found a coaster here that's a square. I'll just hold it up here. Okay, because all the sides are the same and it's a right angle, so it's makes the perfect turn, okay? And then I found something that's not a square. It's sort of close, so find some things that are close but not quite. And this is a little plug-in charger thing, and it is not quite the shape. It's close, but it's not. And for a circle, I found our old quarter, okay? And it's a perfect circle. And then I looked at these scissors, and although the hole in the scissors is pretty close, it's not quite a circle. For a triangle, I found this this little decoration of a sailboat, and the sails are a triangle, okay, 3 sides. And then I found this, which of course is a heart, which looks kind of like a triangle, but not quite. So that is not the shape. And then last one, I found a book. All right, and the book is a rectangle. And then I have this is a holder for the dog brush, and it's close to a rectangle, but you see the angle is different, and the length of the sides is not quite the same, at least on these two, so that is not a rectangle. So good luck, boys and girls. Find some shapes and draw some shapes and have fun with it. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.